Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma. We are going to discuss sexual reproduction in flowering plant. This is my fifth lecture for class 12th biology. In this lecture we will discuss about flower and parts of flower. As human beings have intimate relation with flower since ancient time. Human beings used it as a communicating their feeling like love, affection, happiness, grief, etc. Now let us discuss what is flower in biological terms. Flower is a modification of shoot. Clear? Flower is a modification of shoot, and there are four main parts of a flower. What are those? They are calyx, also known as sepals, corolla, also known as petals, androecium, also known as stamen, gynoecium, also known as pistil. Clear? These four parts are generally present in case of flowering plant of a flower or flower of a flowering plant. In this, generally calyx are green in color. Calyx or sepals are green in color, while petals or corolla are other than green color, means they are colored one. Stamen or androecium is the male reproductive organ of a flower, while pistil or gynoecium is a female reproductive part of a flower. Clear? Now, if in a flower these four parts are present, clear? If all these four parts are present, that flower is called as perfect or complete flower. And if any part, either calyx or corolla or androecium or gynoecium, any part is missing from a flower, then it is called as incomplete or imperfect flower. Clear? Now flowers of flowering plant, these four parts generally divided in two parts or two major parts. What are those? Essential part of a flower and non-essential part of flower. calyx and corolla. This is known as non-essential part of a flower, while androecium and gynoecium is known as essential part of a flower. Why? Because calyx and corolla don't have major role in case of reproduction, while without androecium and gynoecium, that is male reproductive part and female reproductive part, without this there will be no sexual reproduction. Either seed or fruit are not produced in absence of either one. Clear? Essential part and non-essential part of a flower. Now in some flowers there is one extra part, that is below the calyx there is a small green leaf like structure. These are called as epicalyx. As you can see in hibiscus flower, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is called as epicalyx. Clear? Now parts of male reproductive organ, that is stamen. Stamen has three parts. Upper one, that is anther, and where the filament is connected, that is called as connective, and third one, that is filament. Means stamen has three parts. What are those? Anther, connective and filament. While female reproductive part also has three parts. What are those? Stigma, style and ovary. These three parts of a pistil are gynoecium. Every part have different role during sexual reproduction. As in case of calyx, these are green. They are photosynthesizing and providing nutrition, while corolla or petals are colored. They attract the insects towards the flower. Whenever insects are visiting a flower, they help in transfer of pollen from one flower to other flower. That is called as pollination. Okay, clear? In our next lecture, we will discuss pre-fertilization events in flowering plant.